Good morning and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm at Lowe's, Vero Beach. And for those of you who are looking for great prices on the riding mows, here they are. Great prices out here. Check it out, guys. Lowe's Vero Beach, right beside the mall. Yes. They have a lot of stuff out here. I can see all the plastic chairs if you want to have your little party outside. Here they are, guys. They're very reasonable as far as I can see. And I'm pretty sure they're adorable. So check Lowe's, Vero Beach, all your riding mows, chairs, and all the stuff. Thank you.